Hello everybody, my name is Gonzalo Vasquez, your Spanish teacher. And today, or in this video, we're going to talk about the letter ñ, la letra ñ. This is the easiest way to learn Spanish with NLS, the Natural Learning Systems. Remember, we're going to talk about the letter ñ. Okay, so let's do it. Ñ. It's a particular letter that we have in the Spanish alphabet, and we use it just in few words. If you check the dictionary, you're not going to see many words that start with this letter. Most of the times we use it in the middle of the word. And I got to tell you, in this case, la ñ, the name of the letter is ñ, and the sound is ñ. You know, in this case, la ñ con la es ña. Okay, like in this case, ñame. Ñato. Ñato is, we talk about ñato in Spanish, the person who has a short nose or, flat nose is ñato. Ñato. That's one of the two of the few words that I found with the ñ. Start with the ñ. Remember in this moment, ñ. Now with the la letra ñ con la will be ñe. Ñe. Okay? Ñero. Ñero. You go to hear in the regular language that expression ñero. Okay, with the letra I, con la letra I will be ñi, okay, ñisca. Ñisca is an old Spanish, old terminology from Spanish. Ñisca is making reference to a little bitty thing, it's, we say like ñisca is a particular, very, very little particular of something. Ñisca. Okay? With the O, con la letra O, will be ño. Ñoño. That's another expression in Spanish. You probably don't want to hear that much. Ñoño. Ñoño means like spoiled, too spoiled. Está ñoño, con la letra U will be ñu. You like a ñu. Can say ñuco is another word. I didn't put it over there because most of the times the words that you're going to listen here is going to be like idiomatic expressions. So that's what it is. But you got to listen in the middle of the word like a niño. Niño. It's a boy. So niño is a niño between the age 1 to 6 or 9 years old will be niño. Or niña, same thing, same age, niña. Niñera, babysitter. Okay, so you see it's using in the middle of the word. Okay, so remember, the name of the letter is ñ, the sound is ñi, so will be ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Once again, this is Gonzalo Vasquez with the Natural Learning System, and I will see you in the next time. Thank you.